Hi everyone, in this video we learn about variables, constants, pseudo variables. What is meant by variable? A variable is a data name for a memory location which holds any type of data. So in Ruby, the variables are categorized into four types. So one is local variables, the variables that are defined inside any block is known as local variable. All local variables starts with either lowercase letter or underscore sign. So the scope of a local variable is within the block only. So coming to the second type is global variable. So these are defined outside of any block which can be accessed in any block. All global variables starts with a dollar sign. So followed by other variable name. Coming to the third type of variable is class variables. The variables belongs to the class are called as class variables. These variables are preceded with double @ followed by the variable name. Coming to the fourth type is instance variable. So these variables are initialized when an object is created. So instance variables change from one object to another object. Instance variable starts with @ So these are the various types of variables that are supported by the Ruby. So let us see how our local variables will work. In the later session, we are going to be learn about global variables, class variables, instance variables. So let us see a small example. So take a new file, save it with a variable and constants .rb. So here a local variable is going to be defined outside any block. Inside any block. So what are the variables you are going to be defined here? That all comes under the inside. Okay, which means we are going to be create a local variables with a lowercase letter or underscore sign. So here a small a is my variable name, which is equal to a value 10. Now let us print the value of a. So value of a is now save and run it. So here is the output, value of a is 10. Okay. So here we already learned that a variable can hold any type of data. So let us take a variable that is name. I would like to be assign a string to this variable. Say Govardhan. Now print the name. My name is name. Okay. So let us run this one. See here, for the first variable we assigned a numerical value, so which takes and print on the output screen, and the second variable we assign a string value, so that is going to be printed on the output screen. Okay, so here to assign a value to a variable, you need not to be specify the type of variable. You can directly define the variables. Okay, So that is about a variable. Coming to constants and pseudo variables, a constants are also going to be store the values, but once you define any constant, it cannot be changed. In Ruby, the constants are defined in uppercase letters only. And here some of the special variables are there that can be act as a constants. So these type of variables we called as pseudo variables. For these variables you cannot assign any values. Okay, so those are self, true, false, nil, double underscore file, double underscore, and double underscore line, double underscore. So these are the various pseudocode variables. Let us see how a constants and pseudo variables used in the program. So here the self, true, false, nil are used as a values. Okay. Now we are going to be explain about file and line. Okay. Let us see how a constants will work in Ruby. So make comment these lines. So as earlier we said, a constant is going to be defined with uppercase letters only. Okay. So here vars is my variable name and whose value is 10. Okay. Now I am going to be print the vars value. So value of vars is vars. Now let us run this one. See here a value of vars is 10. Okay. Now here I would like to be modify the value of vars. vars is equal to 20. Now I am going to be print the value. Now run this one. See here you get a message already initialized constant vars. Okay. So here we need not to be modify the constants. Okay. And the next, coming to the special variables, that is pseudo variables, that is one is a file, so which tells the current file name. Okay. So I would like to be print the current file name. Current file name is, so which is going to be printed with the help of double underscore file double underscore. Okay. We comment the constant variables and run it. See here the current file name is of git training programs ruby variables and constants.org. So this is our file name. See here. Okay. And similarly double underscore line is used to display the current line number. Okay. So here print current line number is double underscore line double underscore. Okay. So which is going to be print the current line number. Okay. run it. See here, current line number is 11. That means here where we print the line number, which is printed at line number 11. Okay, that is going to be printed on the output screen. Okay, so this is about variables and constants and special constants. Okay, so see you in next video. Thank you.